Here's how you make 3-color images quickly and easily in Finder Chart. Type in the target that you want, and for this you might as well turn off searching the catalog. I'm going to turn on IRSA search. It comes back with fragments from all of the surveys I requested. Then I'm going to click on this icon. At the end of each row, now it has added a 3-color image with color planes taken from that row. So this is a 3-color image based on Palomar data. This is a 3-color image based on Sloan data. This is a 3-color image based on TUMAS. This is based on WISE. This is based on Spitzer. This is based on Akari. And this is based on IRSA. If you want to save any of these 3-color images, click on it. See how it's outlined slightly in brown? Then go up here and click on the diskette icon. You can save that PNG file as it is shown in the browser right now, including any overlays. There's a yellow target in the center of the core of the galaxy. You can also save many at once by clicking on Prepare Download. If you click on FITS, it will save all of the original FITS images. If you click on PNG, it will include all of the PNGs as shown on the screen. If you want it to include the color PNG images, tick this box. That's how you get 3-color images really easily in Finder Chart.